Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty. Welcome to my channel. I do upload 3 times a week and you don't want to miss out on those videos, so please subscribe before you leave. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite drugstore liquid lipsticks. Red ones. Did I mention red ones? They're red ones. They're different shades of red, and I got them all from the drugstore, or they're pretty affordable. And I'm going to talk about my top 5 ones. I do have a lot of red lipsticks, but these are the top 5 that I wear the most, and they're different shades of red. So I'm going to start off with the most affordable one. This was $1 at shopmissA.com, and this is one of their Wonder Matte lipsticks. I have the shade Crush, and as you can tell, it is as you can see, it is really worn. You can barely see the words on it. But this one is really pretty. This is what the one looks like. This was $1, and for the price, I like the quality of it. It is really comfortable. It is pretty pigmented, and it doesn't last that long. But if you don't eat greasy food, it does last. When I wear it at night, like to go out, I would only have to reapply like once or twice, depending on if I'm eating food or if I'm just drinking drinks. Then I don't have to reapply it. It does last, and I've gone through almost all of it, so I'm probably gonna have to order another one because it's getting a little bit crusty. But it is one of my favorite ones. The second one that is kind of like the same shade as that one, but it is a little bit darker and brighter. Is one of Milani's Amore matte lip creams in the shade Amore, which is this red one right here. I recently got this one a couple of weeks ago, and it's upside down. A couple of weeks ago, and I fell in love with this. First of all, because of the shade, obviously, because it is a really pretty shade. And I also like the formula of this one. It is easy to apply as well, and it's not uncomfortable at all. And this one does last a while. I ate greasy food the other day. I ate fries and tacos, and girl, this thing still stayed on my lips. After a while after that, it did come off, but I only reapplied it once and I was good to go. But this one is really pretty as well. And then the third one is a darker one. This one is from NYX, and this is one of the liquid suede cream lipsticks, and I have the shade Cherry Skies. It is just a darker red lipstick. And I also love the formula of this one. It is really comfortable. It's the Wonder Matte is the most comfortable one, but this one's the second comfortable one. It is really easy to apply, and it is a really dark one, so I love using this one when I wear like a more natural eye. And then I like to make my lips really red and bold, so that's when I apply this one. And this one doesn't last that long. Like when I eat, it does come off, but I reapply it and it's good to go, and it is really comfortable. So that's another good one. The fourth one is from LA Colors, and this is one of the liquid lip color, and this one is in the shade Perception. So it's a red. It's more on the nude reddish side, but when it dries down, it does turn into a really dark red, which I really like. This one does take a while to dry down, but when it does, it looks really pretty. And I like using this one when I do like smoky eyes. I think it really goes really good. And I like the way this complements my skin color as well. It is just a really pretty shade. And then the last one is probably one of the ones that I probably use the most on my channel, and I probably have to get another one soon. This one is from Wet n Wild, and is one of their liquid cat suits, and I have the shade Flame of the Game. I actually have several shades in this lipstick, but this is one of like the one that I use the most. It is just a really pretty reddish orangey shade. I use this a lot when I do like colorful looks. I also use it as an eyeliner sometimes, because it is really good to use as an eyeliner, but it doesn't dry down that fast, so you can actually work with it as an eyeliner. And since they do have several shades, like really bright shades, you can actually use them as eyeliners. Like I have a hot pink one and I also use it as an eyeliner sometimes. It is just really, really good quality. And this one is comfortable, but after a while, I find that it does get a little bit crusty, but it's probably because I eat with it. But other than that, it does last a pretty long time. And I also like the formula of it. It doesn't dry down my lips. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. It is just a really, really pretty shade. I love how this looks on my skin tone. It makes me look a little bit more like brighter in a way. Does that make any sense? I don't know. It makes sense to me, but I guess I'm not explaining it right. But it is one of my favorite ones. And at first, I didn't think I was gonna like it because it was orange, and I was like, I don't like orange lipsticks, but it's not that intimidating. Like, it looks on the packaging. Like, when it dries down, it doesn't dry down that orange. It actually turns a little bit darker and reddish, which I really, really love. So those are my top favorite red lipsticks. I did do a top 5 of nude liquid lipsticks. I will link that down below and on the screen somewhere. And yeah, I'm thinking of doing other lipstick videos, like my favorite matte lipsticks and my favorite lip glosses, my favorite lip liners and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed like videos like this, please let me know and I'll keep doing them. But I'll probably still do them anyways because, you know, it's my channel and I do what I want with it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.